I go watch a movie for a Ibadan cinema, Furious 8. Now I see guys sit down, spread leg like this. Put popcorn for me. Or carry all the 5 fingers like this. Don't do like this. You know say, calm down now. You know say when they want start, they go first do one part. The girl will wait. Second time. They show another part today. The whole lorry girl. Yes, girl, I'm very. But I have a fast forward here. You want to find a good guru again to see. You look for when the movie comes start, don't be there my problem there. You know, say for Lagos, all those time where they try denying people because of saying you know waiting they have he get plan. Lagos gets what they talk. Even though as the days will do that same girl, but darling. And look back. When the days will come back, when they try, let's say people, oh, and to what they abandoned on me. My people, the part will vex me. Now when the movie finish, when they come write something, 90 gets down. 1,000, do you know sir? I said, what do you want me to do for you? you want me inside the movie? That's the second thing you need to stop in that Ibadan. And please, last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, Zlatan and Naira Marley, they blow now everywhere. Please, tell Zlatan he might not really go too much. You need to start crying, begging for help. Yes, I know what I'm saying. If you check history, people are mentioning Two-Face now because he started with cry and he's still crying. And Maka disappointed him, he screamed. He has been crying for so long. If you don't cry in the music industry, you might not go far. I'm telling you the truth. Even Whiskey, then when they shout out, Whiskey, number one. Whiskey started with cry. Ladies and gentlemen, when Two-Face entered the studio, when he started, what did he say to do? When he said, oh yeah, he cried again. When from that now, still waxing strong. Ladies and gentlemen, small doctor will go far. His cry was loud. I. Ladies and gentlemen, tell Olamide if you can see this. Your next song, put more cry. When you started with scream. I like this, yeah. Don't like the body up here. Stop all the Melo. Nobody wants to listen. Cry. The country is bitter. Ladies and gentlemen, Whiskey was trying to announce Sulu when they hype. One day, until police stopped him, said, Weezy. He said, everybody they know him. He said, yeah. Guy was like, what is Yaifa? He said, Star Boy. He said, Guy was like, 40 puller will lie down. But that's when they don't jump. He knows a problem with this. Until they tear Whiskey snap. The next time when I see Whiskey, Madame, he go. What did Whiskey do? He said, oh no. Mopo asked her, what is your name again? He said, what is it? Oh my God. Will you do it again? How will you start acting? I'm always. How will you do that in your police? What will you do? What I swear.
To a hotel now. I need to ask for direction. Come. I need to ask for direction.
That paid you with your house and to be checking on this standard.
you beautiful lady that talk about us?
Please, stop cutting clothes. Sit outside them. I look like clothes.
See, let our head be correct on this Instagram. I know how much we spend on doing that show. Don't call us broke. We are not your broke. Your boys is here for collecting.
Ọjọ́ tí wọ́n bá tún pè mí ní blow. Ọjọ́ tí wọ́n bá tún pè mí ní blow. Máa jẹ́ kí n pè mí.
Tell him he is here for collecting treatment.
I did not say bro. I said bro. It wasn't bro.
He is here. Let's go, leave him. Let our head be correct on this Instagram.
Tell him with me today.
Everybody is just mad. Everybody is just mad in this country. They are all just mad in this country. Oh, John Jazzy. John Jazzy appointment. I need to take my artist to John Jazzy. Oh, I need to push him. I need to push him. 1, 2, 3, go.
Calm down. Pack your car. What's it?
Your inner light.
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from an event.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to an event.
What do you do?
I do me.
My name. You're peaceful.
Can I have your phone?
I don't know if you can just hold my phone. Let me get my phone. I think somebody is in my phone. Let me just get my phone from somebody. I left my phone. I left my phone. Yes, left my phone. Yes. It was in the car. Sorry, officer. But why are you asking for my phone? They said you must not start our phone. Why?
You want to be teaching us our job.
Don't worry, just come.
iPhone X. My
We
God.
have been doing this job for how many years?
14 years.
You are still using Sajem.
Again.
Hey!
Wait, hold on. Who is this one that is supposed to be looking like a crab on it?
Officer, no. Wait. Save you. Order arrest for what?
One-time classification of a police officer.
Yes, come on, please.
Why are you taking me to now? To the night.
And before, okay, you are the one that made the move. Oh, sorry, mommy, don't worry. But me, I'm the one that usually make the move. And I made the move with protocols. Like I would have started from yesterday. So like yesterday night, I would wash the plate in the house, mop the floor, in the morning, bath our daughter, change her pamper, so that in the night, I'll make her food, then I'll just touch her, then we'll know ourselves, you get. But now she's been making moves trying to know me, and I'm suspecting that maybe she has removed that contraceptive. Now let me explain. When we got married, both of us planned, we got married in 2016. We planned that we won't have any children till 2018. But the way my fertility set up, we had a child. Now, when I'm talking about my fertility, I'm not throwing it in everybody, I'm not throwing it in your face, because just like Black Lives Matter, low sperm counts. Let me wait till you get it. Did you get it? So, but basically, because I have a daughter, amazing daughter and everything, but I've been paying bills. When we were getting married, all the money Baba were like, nice for congrats, one who have paid old school one and everything you get. So now I'm getting it first time, and I'm like, okay, babe, chill before we have the next child. But recently, my wife saw my daughter's baby pictures, and she's like, oh, so cute, I want to have another one. Meanwhile, you ladies, you don't realize, you people always forget what's happened when you labor. After the labor, you forget when you see the baby. I put it to you that now men suffer past for labor. Let me explain to you. Because, see, once you see, you suffer for the way they clap. Once you see the baby pictures, you're like, oh, my baby. But once I see my daughter's picture, I'm like, this girl that's always disturbing. What my daughter does, let me explain the trouble we go through during labor. First, I don't understand what my wife is going through. She's just shouting, yeah! Emmanuel I come. Emmanuel, go away. I go away. Go hear me. Then they gave her one gas. She started talking like she was running. You understand? So I was shaking. She now finally gave birth. Yeah. Now all her problem has finished. My own problem started. Because as she gave birth, I could not touch her. If I touch her, you are very unreasonable. Maybe I just gave her last one, you get. So we did that for like 3, 4, 5 months. Around the 6th month, she was now ready. Okay, we did it like 2 months. I'm sorry. We did it. Mr. Iowa. We did it like 2 months. So the 3rd month, we were ready. Now, we know ourselves. We're about to know ourselves. And you know, knowledge is a process. Like you have to leave Egypt, go through the Red Sea. My daughter will sleep. It's when we're about to reach Canaan land, she will not be crying one stupid cry. And you know women, no matter what level you get to, when you need to do something, you just leave and go back. You don't know what you do towards me. You leave us at the Red Sea. We are not the one holding the sea, that the sea should not. Let me continue this story another day because time no day. DJ, are you ready for me? In life, there's always 2 sides to everything. For example, in this hall now, I can say, there are some set of people here. If you believe Chelsea is the best club in the world, make some noise. That's group 1. If you believe Chelsea fans are noisemakers, make some noise. So there's always 2 sides to everything. They did Game of Thrones not too long ago. Game of Thrones fans in the building, make some noise. The next set, those of you that are happy that finally this Game of Thrones don't finish, make some noise. Then the next set, those of you that you don't even know what they are calling Game of Thrones. You know they give you money, make some. So Kwama featured Atorishi in the Yoruba version of Game of Thrones. And this was what they came up with. Kwama starts out for the Game of Thrones. I know that Kwama likes to travel. When he said, I'm coming. They'll call us a question. Everybody sọ fún pé Kàlísì ṣódà, Kàlísì ṣódà. Bring it on, DJ. Then last but not the least, I just want to ask one question this night. And the question where I want to ask, we say, in all the movies in Nigeria, Yoruba, Igbo, and Hausa, who they try pass? Who they try pass? Igbo films, 2 major things. The soundtracks, you will know what is happening by the soundtracks. But the first question I want to ask is, why is it that when witches are having a meeting, the first thing that happens is, they just appear. Boom. The next thing. What is funny? Uncle Ali Baba, when our witches go dey laugh for meeting, how we go dey progress for Nigeria? And another thing, which won't attack you? You dey for bed like this, they won't attack you. They go appear outside, come dey waka small come. And you dey inside. Why did they waste that disappear? It's another problem we have in Nigeria, mismanagement of resources. Now, when you hear this kind of soundtracks, and they come out through here, and here they come out go. When you hear this kind of soundtracks, let me hold one piano and then this one. From these soundtracks, you will know what is happening in different movies. Motive. Motive here, he had, what they said motive, the emperor come. Just the Satan. No worry. This one, okay, we go wait, make it good. First off,
When they want attack, spiritual attack, when you hear this soundtrack, you don't say patience was war, don't they do which? Do best, give me strength. Stay here. You can give me strength. When you hear something like this, you don't say which one attack person. Then another kind of attack. Bros, just stay, don't go too far. When you hear something like this, you don't say that arm robber or hitman won't kill person. You hear? Volume. You don't say that I'm standing. You don't say that arm robber. Then the next one, all this marimba, percussion, they go down to movie reach one level. They don't know what they want to again. They won't call one old man. Make it one speak party the way nobody understand. And I think they don't change the sofa numbers. They will just hear a child as if it is not a bonbon. Wakes up with smelling fingers. Then, second to the last, flute. This one, anytime when you hear this thing, you don't say something bad don't happen. They say don't die. No person, any person, don't spoil the joke. God will spoil the joke. Now, who do it? When you hear something like this, you know, say something bad don't happen. And then they cry. Then this last one, when you hear this soundtrack, just cause it voice a lot day. Somebody say, oh my God, thank you very much.
You guys are what I say. You know, if you want to change everything, you go come be in there. Because why will you be crying over it? You don't say, another child not enter. And I say, I'm only serious because I tell my shame. I didn't get more room to know. You know what to tell me? Yes, they pursued me to my class. Ladies and gentlemen, you know, if devil want to catch you, he will not wait for you in his staff room. He will go to the class. As I enter the class, they just say, "Here a sheet of paper we are having tests." You know those tests that you are writing, you know that you are failing before you write it. You know, some of you have faced so much that you even fail you even fail blood test. You do not pass it. Some of you even fail correction. You miss it. You know, some people have faced so much that they don't even bother doing any professional anything again because failure is that song is your theme song. You understand? And ladies and gentlemen, as we reach that, everybody takes you up about we having tests. So this is school year English that we do test. So me, Yusuf, and maybe the three of us, now two barrels will be shared. So here I hold one barrel. Yusuf and Lamini see communication. You won't collect barrel from Yusuf. Here, he closed the teeth, they talk. Now says, now says, I hear my go out there. Now says, I just said,